xFusion Automator for SAP Business One. This demo will show you how easy it is to use the xFusion Automator software to automate the creation of new sales orders in SAP Business One. Here you see an xFusion file that was downloaded from our customer portal and customized for this example. Step 1 is data connection to an Excel file. Step 2 is data extraction of information required for the sales order creation. Step 3 is comparing the new sales orders with those that are already in SAP, just to confirm our upload will be new orders only. Step 4 is the data upload logic to upload the new sales orders to SAP via the required DI API. Okay, so step 1, let's look at the source file for the new sales orders in an Excel file. You see 3 sales orders here, numbers 1006, 1007, and 63. You'll note that the line item information for these orders includes item code, quantity, price, and doc number. So from within the xFusion Automator interface, we connect to the Excel source data and do a quick preview. We see the data that will be soon loading into SAP. This is step 2. And step 3 is comparing our source data with existing sales orders in SAP Business One. We first connect to the SAP database and compare all existing orders with the new ones we want to create. A quick query shows that only 2 records are new. The third record must exist already in SAP Business One. And for demo purposes, let's go into SAP and confirm this. Searching on order 1006, we see that there are no records found. Searching for record number 1007, we see there are also no records found. But searching order number 63, we find that a record already exists, so our comparison step worked as planned. Step 4 is the data upload process. Let's show you the connection details for this process. Here we find the SAP Business One login credentials and required information for the DI API connection. Now I'll show you the header mappings. The left side is the input column, and the right side shows the SAP target columns. And here are the line object mappings. And here are the parent-child relationships. The doc number is the relationship between the 2 data sets in this example. If you require data validation rules, you can select those here. Now, instead of running this process right now, I'll show you how our automation routine is set up. We will set up a directory monitor to watch for new sales orders and process them automatically when they become present. With a quick click of the mouse, we easily create a batch file so that the command can be triggered by our xFusion scheduler interface. So let's look at xFusion Scheduler. We've already set up a watcher event that looks for files in a specific directory. If I edit this, we see the details. Again, the process is set up to watch a directory for new sales orders in Excel format. Next is defining the process, where we select that directory where the batch file is located. This is the same batch file that we just created in xFusion. Post actions can be set so that emails can be sent if a new sales order is created successfully or if the process saw an error. One process that is behind the scenes is a cleanup script which moves the new sales order file to an archive directory so that any new sales orders can be found in the directory. Here is the cleanup script. And next we will show how the file moves from the process directory to the archive directory. Watch as the new sales order moves from the process directory on the right to the archive directory on the left. Once this is complete, any new sales orders that appear in the process directory will be automatically processed and archived in this fashion. So let's now go back into SAP Business One and look for those new sales orders that we just created using the xFusion Automator software. Searching for order number 1006, we find that the order details were successfully uploaded into the SAP system. Searching on order number 1007, we see the same result, a new sales order that was created in SAP. So now that we've shown you the complete process of automatically creating new sales orders in SAP Business One, let's go back and look at the data flow diagram within xFusion. A quick query of new sales orders returns no records, which confirms that all new sales orders had already been created in SAP Business One. Again, the four-step process was straightforward: connecting to a data source, extracting information, comparing new orders with existing orders in SAP, and creating the new order. This automation process can be customized to your own requirements, and our xFusion Scheduler gives you many options for triggering the process to begin. This concludes the overview demo of sales order automation using xFusion Automator for SAP Business One. For more information on this automation process and others for SAP, be sure to visit us online at softlabsco.com.